Every worker in British Columbia has the right to refuse unsafe work. This means that your employer can't punish you if you raise a health and safety concern. If your employer is asking you to do renovation or demolition work of older buildings, they may be asking you to work with asbestos. Asbestos can be found in many older building materials and can become airborne as the materials age or when they're disturbed. Asbestos is extremely dangerous and can cause serious long-term health issues. It can also be deadly. In British Columbia, anyone doing asbestos removal has to be trained and certified. These requirements help keep you, your co-workers, and your family healthy and safe. There are different levels of certification depending on the type of asbestos work. To get certified, you will need to find an approved training provider on WorksafeBC.com. Complete a training program with a written exam and, in some cases, a practical assessment. You will receive your certificate after you successfully complete the program. This certificate will be valid for 3 years. Visit WorksafeBC.com/asbestos to start the certification process and find resources to support you along the way. And to learn more about your rights as a worker, visit WorksafeBC.com.